like as a follow-up to the last like a community name.
Soon is even better. Maybe come back.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, you're welcome. To my new subscribers, you're also welcome. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Linda, and today I'm stepping out to the market to get some food stuff and also to meet up with a business friend of mine whom I've known for some years now. I get business ideas and what's happening in the market prices from him. We all know the year is coming to an end and we need to prepare for a new year. The economy in Nigeria, it's not smiling at all. So yeah, just when I was thinking about the economy and how I can plan for my new year, the new year 2025, behold, this gender Adam was trying to engage in conversation with me in the keke. A little backstory: this guy entered this tricycle known as keke in Nigeria, Lagos here, as he entered this keke with a lady. Now at a particular stop, the lady dropped, and all through the journey he was quiet, but all of a sudden as his partner dropped, he engaged in conversation with me immediately. Like, I'm sure if the girl was still standing there, she would see him talking to me. So this is him telling me his name. Guys can be so smooth with talking. Yeah, so not him telling me his name is Love. I don't know if it's true or not, but then the conversation continued because I was shocked by his name being Love, a guy bearing the name Love. So I was really curious and I asked him a lot of questions, and meanwhile he requested to be in my vlog. Yeah, so that was what we were talking about. But mind you, I had to come home and explain to Mr. A because I don't want anybody taking my things out of the house. Let's continue our trip to the market. So after so many attempts of flaunting my ring in his face, he finally saw it, and then the conversation started getting cold, and then he finally asked if I was married, and I answered yes, that I'm married. Not for uncle to change it on me and started answering me ma. How come? Well, it's well. Let's go to the market first. So this is the popular Mile 2 in Lagos State, Nigeria. This is the railway at Mile 2, the train station at Mile 2. Yes, so this train leads to the Lagos Island Market. Yeah, this place is beautiful now as to the way it was before. It's very fine now. So because I'm not going to the island, I'm still going to the market on the mainland, I need to use the pedestrian bridge to get over to the other side of the road. So I caught a train that was just getting to the station now, and I was so happy that I was able to get this image or this video of it. So here Take. So this is Suru Alaba Market, located close to Mile 2, and in this market things are really affordable. I got to know about this market because I grew up coming to this market. Okay, so this market you get thrifted items from baby things to food stuff to adult wares, just anything you need is available in this market. Okay, so it's just for you to know your way around this market. So that business friend of mine has shops in this market, so I usually come here to get inspiration for the day I would finally set up my own business. So I was trying to capture the Alaba train station there, the terminal there. So this is my friend's shop, one of his shops. So he's really busy with a client now, a customer now. He's into thrift items, clothes. So yeah, he more like supplies to those retail sellers. So at this point he saw me recording, and then I saw this cute little short skirt. Okay, yeah, so he was telling me if I wanted it, that it would actually look good on me. Yes, I told him I came to visit, that I had things to get in the market, and not him still showing me more things I could get from him. But no, I didn't come to buy anything today, sir. I came for business. Yeah, so I needed to wait for him to finish attending to his customers. He is always busy. There are days I come here, I have to wait till he finished attending to almost all his clients, or there are days I get to work. So finally he had my time, and see me now, a serious student. I need to pay attention. I listened to everything he was saying. Thanks to him, I've not been wasteful with money all these years. Okay, let's continue with our blog. But I've been begging this man to expand his business, to make it to be more standard so he can make more money. But this man always tell me that he knows his clients, he knows his target market, and he doesn't really need to stress himself to get that done. And trust me when I say it's really working for him. He doesn't really sell one, he sells in bulk, like they call it bill here in Lagos. Okay, yeah, so back to my market shopping. I had to buy some food stuff because as at this time Mr. A was already calling that it's getting late, he hasn't eaten. Baby girl is pretty tired at this point. I felt like the sun just aimed at me today, so I'm heading back home. This is all I got from the market today, so let's get back. Does anyone also have a favorite pot you like to use to cook? No matter what you want to prepare, you just pull out that pot, or a favorite cooking spoon or spatula. You see this pot right here? I'm sure it's crying for help. If you watched up to this point of my video, you are the real MVP. Thank you very much. And if you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you very much for sticking around with me. Love you all. Bye.